your mother?
Allah created my mother.
Who created your father?
Allah created my father.
Who created everyone?
Allah created everyone.
Who created the earth and the heaven?
Allah created the earth and the heaven.
Who created the earth that we're walking on?
Allah created the earth that we're walking on.
Who created the plant and the birds?
Allah created the plants and the earth.
What to say when you go in bed?
Allahumma amantu wa ahya.
What to say when you wake up? Who created the water, the rain, and the air?
Allah created the water, air,
Allah created everybody.
Allah created everybody.
Allah created everyone.
Allah created everyone.
Where is Allah?
In heaven.
MashaAllah. Can you tell me Asma Allah al-Husna? What's your religion?
Islam.
What's your prophet? What is shahada? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Allah يرعاكم. Okay, who was the first leader in Islam?
Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, Ali.
MashaAllah, jazakumullah khairan. Okay. Rihaana, have a seat.
جزاكم الله. وحيانا على